Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. From the past 10 days I was on vacation, so was not able to make a video based on the daily basis. So what I'll do is I'll just first try to cover the market situation from the past 10 days, and then we will see the analysis for today, and after that we will uh, go through the predictions or the analysis for tomorrow, and we'll see if Bank Nifty still can make 45,000 within this month or not, and the reason of falling from the Bank Nifty sector, as well as we will look into how Bank Nifty will behave, and how Bank Nifty will proceed further in the upcoming sessions. So I left on 8th of June. Bank Nifty was around 43,995 that day. On Friday, 9th of June, we don't see much movement. As you can see, 44 was the level which was mentioned in the previous sessions, that 44 is a crucial level, and Bank Nifty stayed around that level only, and not much movement happened that day. On Monday again there was a range bound session, not much movement. The movement was between the S1 and the pivot, and on 13th you can see there was a gap up, and slight increase in the momentum, but Bank Nifty failed to sustain that moment, and Bank Nifty again closed between the R1 and the pivot level. On 14th, you can see Bank Nifty was a break point near below the break point, pivot point, and Bank Nifty closed below that level. And on 15th, that was a mass selling we can see here, and from the levels of 44, 43, 800, Bank Nifty touched almost 43, 400 and below that. So the levels which you can see marked in blue is the levels I mentioned earlier as well, that whenever these levels you see is getting broken, then you can take a position for that side. So 44 was not sustained, 43, 800 our crucial level broke, and whoever took that position must be in the profits on that day. Somehow on 16th of June we can see a good gap up, and the momentum continued till 44,086. So this was the overall movement of Bank Nifty. It actually on the 9th where it started, it ended there on within the week. Now as today was the first session for the day, as you can see it's a Monday, and today also Bank Nifty failed to sustain the levels of 44,000, and in move you can see 43,500 was touched today, and Bank Nifty was totally in the grip of bears, and bears will superimpose their selling styles over the bulls buying, and Bank Nifty closed around 43,633. So 300 points uh, uh, less from the previous day. This was actually not expected within this month, but Bank Nifty is again and again failed to keep 44,000 level. Bank Nifty trying to regain the 44,000 level, but somehow pressure is very high on the selling side, and the result of this we can see daily you can say loss of 100, 200 and 300 and max 600 points we saw gap down. So what will and how will a retail trader will make profits in this kind of situation? Definitely by looking at the charts, they will definitely go for the put side. But overall, if you see Bank Nifty's buying pattern or selling pattern, weekly it's strong. Lots of indicators indicating that Bank Nifty has the potential to go above 44,500 within this month. The only thing that is stopping Bank Nifty is the major giants like HDFC Bank and Axis Banks and all. They all are not letting Bank Nifty to go up. As a result, we see daily fall of 200-300 points. Bank Nifty is surviving around 43,600 levels, and today as well it started well, but within the two candles itself, the momentum was predictable, and Bank Nifty touched 500, 43,500, so it was quite a challenging day for the bulls to make any profit. Now, the situation globally we see is very, you can say, not good. Bank Nifty, SGX Nifty, and all the other sectors and the Nifty future as well is trading in negative. But whenever it's negative globally, then we see that Bank Nifty or even the indexes, other indexes behaves quite well and on the green side. So be optimist. Tomorrow you may see a flat opening uh, within the range of 43,700 to 43,500. Maybe a market moves. Tomorrow is a Fin Nifty expiry, and last two expiries was in green for Fin Nifty expiry. So, so I think Bank Nifty is still strong, and tomorrow if the levels of 43,500 again survived, then we can see 43,800 and 44 it's again. So the suggestion for tomorrow will be like try to keep patience and enter only within the range I'm expecting. Otherwise there will be a loss for you. So 43,800 is the buy side. Above that you can buy for 100, 200 points or maybe 300 points, and sell side buying will be around of 43,500 and below. Levels which can touch is 43,300 and 43,000. Overall, if you see Bank Nifty is holding the range of 43,500. It's touched below that on 15, but overall 43,500 is strong support after 43,800, which actually got breached. So if Bank Nifty survived over 43,500 and went above 43,800, then definitely there are the chances that Bank Nifty again regain the position of 44,000, and this week will be crucial for Bank Nifty and other indexes as well. Today we saw Nifty was almost touching the all-time high, but it went down from the levels of 43,881. So this is quite a surprise that last week we didn't see a movement towards 45,000. It was expected that 45,000 will touch in a coming session, but due to you can say a call writing on the 44,000 level is not letting Bank Nifty to go above that. But I'm optimist and I have a belief that Bank Nifty will go above 44,500 and 45,000 within this month. Maybe not this week, maybe next week. So we'll wait and see how Bank Nifty will behave. and whoever is holding their position can take a stop loss of 43,300, last stop loss, and can buy again on dips around 43,500 or even 43,400 levels. This is the suggestion for tomorrow, and overall sentiments is might be looking in a negative side, but I'm optimist and I believe that Bank Nifty has a potential to go above 45 within this month. So this was all about all the analysis and past session analysis, and from today onwards I'll be again making the videos on a daily basis, and I'll try to keep you updated about all the happenings around banks and the Bank Nifty. Just keep liking and sharing my videos, and subscribe if you have not done so, and ask others as well to subscribe so that they can get all the relevant updates on time. So signing out for now. We'll see you tomorrow night. Thanks. Bye. Good night.